Today we will talk about laws of reflection of light. What are these laws? We know about reflection. What is reflection? It is the phenomena of bouncing back of light after striking a smooth polished surface. This is our incident ray, and it strikes on this polished surface. We have taken here plane mirror, and now this is our incident ray. This one is normal, and after strikes it bouncing back, and this is our reflected ray. And the angle between incident ray and normal is angle of incidence, and the angle between reflected ray and normal, this is angle of reflection. So let me discuss about laws of reflection of light. Reflection of light. We have learned that what is reflection? When a ray of light falls on any object, which one is polished, smoothy, shiny, light from that object bounces back. When a ray of light falls on any object, here we have taken plane mirror, and light from that object bounces back. This is known as, or you can say this phenomena is known as reflection of light. Here we have an incident ray. We know the ray of light falling on the surface is called incident ray. And this one is reflected ray. What is reflected ray? The incident ray bouncing back in the same medium after striking the reflecting surface is called reflected ray. And this one is our normal. And this is our point of incidence. What is point of incidence? The point of mirror, this one, the point of the mirror surface, this one is our point of incidence, where incident ray strikes and reflected ray bounces off. This point is called our point of incidence. And this one is our normal line. It is the line draw perpendicular to the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. And this one is our angle of incidence. The angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. And this one is our angle of reflection. The angle between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. And the first law of reflection is the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Means the angle between incident ray and normal is equal to angle between reflected ray and normal. Both angles are equal. Here we have taken theta and theta. You can say if the angle of incidence is 45 degree, then angle of reflection will be 45 degree. So the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. This is the first law of reflection. And the second law of reflection is the incident ray, the reflected ray, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lies in the same plane. You can say incident ray, normal and reflected rays lies in the same plane in the phenomena of reflection of light. So these are our laws of reflection, and this is the definition of reflection of light. Thank you.